Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a password of a folder in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, open your File Explorer and select your file. Now click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see Mirror and Add to Archive. You just have to click on this. Now here you can see Set Password. You have to click on this. Now enter a password. Create your own password. Here you have to press an OK. So this is how you can create a password of your folder in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.